Okay, so get ready for maybe a little bit more shakiness and a little bit more word funniness because that was made today. All right, I've been drinking a little bit, and this is something that I make when I just don't give a shit. Basically. All right, so as you can see, I got some bell peppers. I got some mushrooms. Sliced. Nice. I don't usually add meat. I don't eat a whole lot of meat because it's expensive and I'm poor as fuck. But I basically just took some casings off of a sausage because I kind of dropped them. And they had casings on them, so they're fine. Yeah, 5-second rule. Alright, so I kind of, got them in little chunks. Well, so much for clean hands. Yeah. It's fine. And I got some onions. That's all I got right now. You can add whatever. This is just what I do. And, a little bit of butter. If that's not enough, there's always some vegetable oil. I like to turn my burner to 3.5, simply because my burner, oh, it's 5:45. I'm supposed to be streaming soon. My burner cooks real hot, which I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you that, but I'm going to keep telling you that. So you want you want your butter here. You want it to melt. You don't. That's not good enough. Typically, I would just throw my veggies in there, but since I'm making a video, then we're not going to just throw them in there. I still have some butter out, so if I wanted to do that, I could. But let's see. You hear that? That's some noodles. That I just threw into a gallon jug because I got tired of them being in my pantry. I don't know. I don't know why I put them in there. It's an experiment, okay? I wanted to see if they'd stay fresh, and that was not for you, Paquito. You have been fed. She came running. But yeah, so, let's see, where is my... For this, we're going to be using all these veggies. We're going to be using some soy sauce. I have a hot sauce problem, so we're going to be using some hot sauce, of course. And, if you want, you could do honey. I like adding honey to a lot of things. Today, I will not be adding honey. I haven't done that to this particular thing. But I always suggest adding honey to things because it's yummy. That butter is, it's getting there, actually. Look at that. Look, it's roaming around the pot. I don't expect good things from this video, and neither should you. Okay? Alright. So that's looking good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this whole plate right here. And, oh, one thing fell. That's okay. That's just you cooking. Can you tell what I've been watching recently? By how I'm talking? It's Bob Ross. You're watching Bob Ross. Alright, and then we're just going to get these last couple pieces because I hate leaving stuff behind. No veggie left behind. Okay, that's a little insane. We're not going to do that. But yeah, you just throw that in there and, my hot toddy spoon's good enough. That is yummy. Alright, and we're just gonna let this simmer. Alright? God, I've already 4 minutes. Didn't have an intro to this like with my face because I've been drinking, and I'm not gonna show my face. So this is what you're gonna have to deal with. But there we go. I'll bring you back when that's ready to be taken out and when I'm ready to put the noodles in there. Okay, so you gotten to the point where your veggies are a bit cooked. Your sausage is definitely cooked. So you're going good. I put a little bit more butter in there, but that's okay. You do you. Whatever works best for you is how you should cook. Alright? I feel like my hand's shaking a bit more than normal, but that's okay. You don't expect much from this one, right? Because I've been a little tipsy. Alright, so we're gonna... soy sauce. Food Lion brand, because I'm cheap. And it's like 70 cents. Alright, so we're going to put an undetermined amount. You don't even have to do this if you don't want to do this. This is just you cooking. Alright? And that's fine. You do you. Now, when my mom's in town, I don't do this next step. But that's okay. she's not in town right now. So, I'm gonna just do a... Alright. Just for now. That's good enough for now, alright? Because we're gonna have noodles. I got a bowl of noodles right here. And it's about that many. There. Alright. Cool. Now you're gonna wanna stir this up. You want all those veggies to taste like soy sauce and hot sauce. Alright. Oh, good. The hot sauce bottle is helping. Not only with flavor, but with holding the veggies. Now, it's okay to have these undercooked a little bit, because this isn't the last time we're going to cook them. Alright? There's going to be another time. Also, I got out 2 eggs, because I like adding eggs to everything. I like eggs, okay? They're yummy. My boss owns chicken, so it's really easy for me to get a hold of some... How do you clean that? It's really easy for me to get a hold of some chickens. Eggs. Anyway. Alright. So, that's how it looks now. It's about ready for me to pour out onto this plate here that's nasty from me putting the spoon in here. And, actually, we're going to be adding some greens from a local farmer from the farmer's market. And, yeah. So, you can get your greens, or you don't even have to add your greens. But you can get your greens wherever you want. That's just you. Alright, so your water is boiling, what you want to do before you add in your noodles, which I put on the plate, and I put the veggies in there. And there's my spinach greens. That's not the best spot to look at them, but that's okay. We're gonna do this very carefully. Ow. Steam hurts. Steam hurts, guys. Alright. So, I'm going to just stir that a little bit. You can tell that water isn't, like, perfectly clear. That's because what was in here, whatever was left here after I poured out all the veggies and as much juices as possible, is in that water still. Because it was adhered to the bottom of the pot, and I'm just using the same pot. I don't even care. It flavors your noodles a little bit. It seems kind of gross, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's good. Trust me. It doesn't look yummy, but it is. It doesn't have to look pretty. It just gotta taste good. And that's what this does. And, today I'm going with some spinach. I don't know if you can really... There you go. Now you can kind of see it a little bit. And I'm probably going to be adding at least half that bag. Probably not the whole bag. We'll just see how the noodles come out. Based on how much veggies I cooked up here, it's not going to be the whole bag. But we'll see. Anyway, guys, let this boil. It's probably going to be about 10 minutes or so. It just depends. You could test your noodles. I think even the box says 10 minutes. I don't know. I don't have the box anymore. Like I said, I keep them in this because had some issues in the pantry. But anyway, yeah. So noodles are boiling, and give them about 10 minutes. All right. Okay, so you drain your noodles of as much water as possible. If you have a strainer thing, colander, whatever, use that. I don't have one, or if I do, I have no idea where it is. So, I drained it as much as I could. It's fine. You're gonna want to, at this point, add back your veggies. Alright, that one onion is just... It's not in its destiny to go in that pot. That's fine. Now, I mentioned that we had spinach and this, and you can see all my stuff just kind of like pushed to the side. It's okay. Now, I'm not going to go through and find all the bad stuff. Well, actually I am. I'm going to do that off camera, but I'm going to add about half of this bag. I don't know how much is in this bag, to be completely honest with you, but I'm going to add about half of it. You do you. You don't have to add greens. This is just what I do. Alright? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to bring you guys back once I got this back on the burner. And I've got, I'm going to put a little bit more butter or vegetable oil, either or, in there so it doesn't stick to the bottom, because this is not a non-stick pot. So, yeah, and then, actually, I'm glad that I did not add those greens, because we gotta add these first. We're gonna add these. So actually, let's go ahead and get this going, and then I can, clean the greens, because you always want to clean your veggies. Now, I don't often, but sometimes I do, and this is one of those times, because I'm trying to be a good example. Alright, so I can't really cut that butter one-handed, and move it and everything, so we're just gonna open up our vegetable oil, and let's stir this around just to kind of get an idea of what all kind of juices are down in there. We've got some soy sauce, we got some hot sauce, got a little bit of water still, that's fine. It's looking real yummy. I could be quite drunk, though, at this point. Alright, so we're just gonna add a little bit of oil, probably a little bit too much, but that's fine. It's fine, everything's fine. Alright, so we're gonna just put that on 3 like usual, and we learned last time that I can't crack eggs with one hand, so I'm gonna crack them, I'm gonna put them in the pot, I'm gonna clean my greens, and then I will bring you guys back when we are ready to do all that stuff. So yeah, I will be right back with you guys. Alright, so we got the eggs in there, we got them kind of cooking a little bit. I bumped it down to 2 so I could kind of take my time. Greens are cleaned, and this is why you clean your greens. So like I said, they're organic, but there's a little stink bug in here. Yeah, so I've had a little stink bug in my fridge for the past week or so. Anywho, so you want to make sure that you pop these yolks, because you don't want them whole. I mean, maybe you do. That's you. I've let this sizzle on here too long, so I gotta kind of stir with a little bit extra gusto. I need my handy dandy stop the pot from spinning hot sauce. Alright, so that's cooked on there a little bit too much, but that's fine. That's my mistake. Don't make the same mistake as me. I thought I put too much vegetable oil in there, and I didn't put enough. So it doesn't look amazing, and that's okay. It tastes yummy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this bowl, and I'm only going to add half, or about half first. And then we're going to let those kind of cook down and go from there. Also, I am going to definitely do my best right now to move this plate and cut this butter. Alright. Because we need some more something in there. Okay. And just haha, success. Okay. Got that. Got our hot. Oh, that's it. That's all we got left. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. So little stink bug ain't doing nothing. You still alive, little buddy? I don't think so. I think he's dead, guys. He's dead, Jim. All right, that's fine. It's fine. It happens. Okay. So, just gonna let this stuff kind of cook down. I'm gonna try and get the stuff that's stuck to the bottom unstuck. And I'll bring you guys back when I am done cooking these greens down. Alright, so it's not pretty, but trust me, it is good. There's still quite a bit in the pot, so either I have second servings or I have leftovers. And now I have a very, very full cup of hot toddies. So in between this and this, I'm going to have a good night. Now I'm going to go stream, and I'm going to be playing some Viscera cleanup. But that doesn't matter because it's already happened by the time this video comes out. Probably by a week or so. Who knows when I'm going to release this video. But yeah, thank you all for enjoying. And good luck making this. And this. In the previous video. And the previous video before that. The breakfast thing. Have fun. If you like it, do the subbing thing, and I don't know, I'll make more of these. Yeah. I hate saying that. I'm gonna make more of these whether you sub or not. Because I like it. So yeah. Bye.